Good morning, children. Welcome to our class. Today we are having maths class. Let's explain successor and predecessor. In your previous class, you learned patterns. Now let's see successor and predecessor. How to write successor and predecessor. Before you write, what means of successor and what means of predecessor. Successor means after numbers. Successor means here given number is there. You should write after numbers. Predecessor means before numbers. The given numbers you should write before numbers. And you are adding plus 1 in successor. You are adding plus 1 in successor and you subtract 1 in predecessor. Successor means you should write after numbers. In predecessor means you should write before numbers. Or successor you are adding plus 1 and predecessor you subtract 1. Okay, children. Now 3840 plus 1. 3840 plus 1. Okay, children. You should write what is our number? 3840 plus 1. You get which number? 3841. Now this is our successor. 3840 plus 1, 3841. Successor means adding plus 1 or after numbers. You remember that? Keep in your mind. Successor means after numbers or adding plus 1. Now next one, predecessor. Predecessor means you should write before numbers and you subtract 1. You subtract 1, that is predecessor. These both are keep in your minds, successor and predecessor. Let's see next to predecessor. 3840 minus 1. You get which number? 3839. Okay, children. Now next one, what is our number? 1540. You write both successor and predecessor. First you write successor. 1540 plus 1 is equal to, you get which number? 1541. Okay. Next to predecessor. 1540 minus 1. You get which number? 1539. This is our predecessor. Next, you do like that. Same. In successor you are adding plus 1. In predecessor you subtract 1. 2445 plus 1, 2446. Next 2445 minus 1 is equal to 2444. Next one 8245. Now 8245 plus 1, 8246. Next one 8245 minus 1. Next 8244. Okay, you can understand in what is the successor, what is the predecessor. Now next 3250. First you should write successor. 3250 plus 1. Which number you got? You adding plus 1. 3251. Next 3250 minus 1. What is our predecessor? 3249. Next one 7605. 7605. You are adding plus 1. Okay. In successor you got 7604. Sorry. 6. This is our successor. Next 7605 minus 1. 7604. This is our given numbers, successor and predecessor. This is copy in your classwork, children. Write neatly. Let's see next one. Copy this. Successor means adding plus 1 or you should write after numbers. What means of predecessor? Predecessor means you should write before numbers or you subtract 1. The given number you do subtraction 1. Okay. This is successor and predecessor. Let's see next one. 6,245. Next one 4,020. Next fourth one is what? 8,000. Please open children your textbooks and classworks. Please follow in your textbook what I told that in our videos. 5,065. Okay children, you should write this for first thousands, hundreds and tens and ones. Okay. Now let's write first one is what? 2,540. In thousand place which number is there? 2. You should write in thousand place first 2. Next in 100 place which number is there? 5. So we are here you should write 540. In tens place you should write 4 and in ones place you should write 0. And let's see next one 6,245. In 6 place you should write 6 because here given thousands, 6,000. So you should write in thousands 6. Next 200. Here given 200. So in 100 place you should write 2. Next 45. In ones in tens place 4 and in ones place 5. Next one 4,020. In thousand place 4 is there. So you should write in thousand place 4. Next here not given hundreds. Here not given hundreds. That's why you put in hundreds a 0. Because in our problem not given hundreds. So you put in 100 plus a 0. Next 20. In 20. Tens place 0. In ones place. Sorry. In tens place you should write 2. In ones place you should write 0. Next one 8,000. You should in thousand place 8. In here not given hundreds, tens and ones. They are all not given. So in remaining all places you should